on lesson number 2. On lesson number 2, we learned about installing the Visual Studio, the right environment for coding on a Typescript. Of course, there are many others, but this is a rich environment. And for today, lesson number 3, we will learn our first program, how to compile it. I hope you are excited as much as me. It will be a lot of fun, and we will also learn the alert method and using numbers and strings. You will see what I'm talking about. I bet it sounds you like Chinese, but don't you worry. After this lesson, you will be ace with your first program. Okay, let's have fun. On the previous lesson, we installed the compiler. It's called Visual Studio. Okay, we will activate it now, and we will create a new solution. Every solution, every project that you create is creating you a new environment for your program. So now we are going to do a new one. Let's load the Visual Studio. Okay, this is the environment of the Visual Studio. Okay, we will create a new project. Go to File, New, Project, not a file, Project. Here in this window, you will choose Typescript HTML app. This is the default type of a solution that we choose in order to do it in Typescript. Here you put the name that you want of the project. Let's call it Hello World. Okay, and this is the location that you want to save it. Okay, let's do okay. Okay, always use the latest TypeScript compatibility, so choose always yes. Now this is the solution, all of the solution. Here we have app.ts. This is the main file that we will use to program in, okay, to write the code in. The index.html is some file that all of our the TypeScript file that we write the program on will show on the HTML page. Okay, so it's less important for us right now. So what you do in every new project, you do this action. You go to the HTML file, the index.html, you go to it, you just double click on it, and yeah, I'm sorry, you don't go to this, you go to the TypeScript file. You can see the extension TS is for TypeScript. Okay, you go to this, and this is where you put the code. Okay, this is our work layout. Okay, so on our first program, we will do the first line. We will write alert, and do double this dash hello world. Okay, now every TypeScript line have to end with this char, and this is where the text will be. Let's see it in action, and we will see what is the alert method do. Okay, so we want to run this file. How do we do it? We just press Control and F5 to run this file. And the compiler is building the project. After it finished building it, it will load it on the HTML file here, and what the program that we did is to open a new small window and write on it hello world. Okay, let's see it again. If I refresh it, oops, it's jumping hello world. Okay, let's play with it a little. First of all, if you want to put a remark or something, you do a double char of this one. Okay, and this place I will write all my remarks for you. Alert means jumping or prompt window. Now let's try to change the text. Okay, let's erase and write my name is Uri. Okay, you can write your own name. Okay, please try it with your own name, and we do to run the program. We do okay, this is how you run the program. Okay, now let's try it. Okay, my name is Uri. Okay, it's running very well. Now let's have some more fun with it. Let's do another alert. And we will put the letter 5 on it. And don't forget to close the line with this char. Okay, let's see what this program will do. It should do this and then the letter 5. Let's see. Okay, this is the first line, and then it prints 5. Okay, let's see what else it can do. We can do calculations. Okay, let's see. Just a minute. Prints letter 5. Now let's try some calculations. Alert. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 should output 10. Okay, let's see how it's happening. Again, running the program. 5, and then the 5 plus 5, it calculated the sum of them. Okay, and you can also divide and multiple and do any calculation you want to. Okay, so we learned that alert is prompting a window. Now let's see the last thing that alert can do. Okay, let's combine. Just a minute. Let's combine numbers with a text. Okay, this thing called the string in the programming languages, because it contains chars and not numbers. Okay, so if I want to put also numbers, I will do this. My name is Uri, and I was born. I am, and I do 33. Pay attention that I can combine chars and the numbers on the same row, but I have to do plus between them to combine them together. Okay, and the chars are with this sign inside. Okay, and I can do another chars and write years old. Okay, please try to do your own name and age like I did, and let's see what it does. Okay, do it like I did. Let's see. Okay, you can see it combined the number and the chars on the left and on the right. This is how we combine numbers and the chars on Typescript, and also on other languages. So this is for your first lesson, and I will give you some bit of homework for your next lesson. Please do it, and on the next lesson we will show how we did it. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so I wrote you some homework to do. You should try writing your own first name and last name in the first alert window. On the second alert window, please try to write your address, but the number on the address should be with a number on the number with number, and the rest of the address should be with string. Okay, I am reminding you, this is number and this is string. It means chars between those spatial things. Okay, commas. And please pay attention. Something else I didn't show you. If you write alert like this, it's not good. It's marking me you have an error. Can you see the red line under? It means I have a error. What is the error? The error is that I did a capital letter on alert. The TypeScript is case sensitive to the method case sensitive letters. Here I fix it and no error. Okay. If you have questions, replies, comments, or you want something special from me, you can write on your comments. And see you on the next lesson. This was lesson number 3. Bye bye.